But alright, I think we're now in Montenegro. Oh no, that was it, that was leaving. We're now entering. Oh, this is entering. Am I stopping there? Thank you. Okay. Okay, now we're properly in Montenegro. Am I still recording? I think I was recording him. Oops. Oh. Could have been arrested. Oh, this is a nice road surface here. There's a lot of these natural springs dotted around, and people have put a pipe on them, and then locals come along and fill up their bottles of water. And some of these drinking water spring spots get turned into a sort of shrine. They've got sort of all sorts of religious things all over it, and benches and little table and pictures of loved ones adorning it. Quite nice. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. This is still recording because this is something else, this road. Amazing views. It's gorge Montenegro. fella's on his own as well. I saw him when he passed me when I was taking photos, and he's riding along holding his mobile phone up to record. He obviously hasn't got a camera set up like me. Cheers. Saw him at the checkpoint as well. He's gone back. That's the fella, the German fella we've been kind of I've been travelling with all morning, I think, from Bosnia. He's come up here a way, but he's going back now. More breathtaking scenery in Montenegro. Very unspoilt and quiet. There's no crash barrier on these roads. You can see for a long way, but there's no cars coming all the way down this side of the mountain pass. So it's safe to use the full size width of the road. Hello. Come on, this is a road. This is a road. Alright. Right, I'm stood here in the rain, pouring down with rain, absolutely chucking it down. There's lots of bright clouds and blue sky around, but the one grey cloud seems to be following me for a little while. Not metaphorically, we're having a great time. So I'm just going to, rather than put all my blooming wet weather gear on, because it's going to be dry and sunny again in a minute, and also to put the wet weather gear on whilst standing in torrential rain is quite hard. Chap who was speaking to me is basically saying I shouldn't wait, should go round, and he pointed up, as though up the cliff there's another, and looks like there is a little windy road that's up there. And he said turn around and go basically follow this car that I'm behind, because it looks like he's going that way. So that's what I'm doing. No, it's not here, mate, it's a bit further. Right, we're going to go left up here in a sec, mate. Left here. Oh no, it's not this, is it? It is. It is, it's gravel. Shit. Dirt gravel road. Come on, bike, we can do this. We got this. Yeah, he wants me to go past him. Okay. Oh, for God's sake. It's alright, what a bike. Okay. Am I recording? I am. Oh, is this interesting? Oh, recording. Oh, there's another bike coming. Hey! Oh, the view. Albania, towards the end of day 6. Recently went over the border into Albania from Montenegro. I think I've seen 1 or 2 cars, so this is very quiet. There's some stunning gorge here. Something looks like just a bit of Jurassic Park or something. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, horses and mules. Yeah, I like that. Don't worry. Hello. No. Another reason to go slow around these roads. You get animals just wandering along. I saw 2 pigs earlier on, just a bit earlier, just sort of hanging around, snuffling away. I mean, they weren't bored, they were big, bright pink pigs. This is day 7, first thing in the morning in Albania, after staying in a town called Tamare. It's a bit wet this morning, but you know, we got all the wet weather gear on and I'm pretty dry really. I feel quite snug, quite cosy. Got my waterproof trousers over my motorbike trousers, waterproof jacket over my jacket. I've got my mitt things, look, over my gloves. I've got a plastic sandwich bag over my phone there, which is my sat nav and Bluetoothing music and stuff into my helmet. I've got my waterproof cover over my tank bag because that's not waterproof. My top box at the back is properly waterproof, so we're kind of okay. On my bike, it's a lovely road, this, very quiet. Hopefully the weather might clear up in a bit. Got a very windy bit of road coming up. Look at that, you can see that on the sat nav just about, with the shine of the plastic bag. All these are the bikers, you see, all with their modern equipment. I have by far the oldest bike and the most basic equipment, but I quite like that. They all, of course, have BMWs and built-in sat navs, all waterproofed up. Not an iPhone 8 with a plastic sandwich bag over it. Works fine then. Apparently this road was only relatively recently properly paved like this. It used to be a dirt road, and it's a long old stretch. Would have been hard going, but mostly for the, apparently for the tourism, they paved it because it's obviously an area of outstanding natural beauty, equivalent in Albania, and so they spent the money and paved it, which is no small feat. Super slow around these really tight bends. I'm in obviously in no hurry anyway, and I've got no fast cars up behind me egging me on to go quicker, and the conditions as they are, you really have to ride to the conditions much more on a bike than you do in a car. In a car you're almost a bit sort of cocooned with just the windscreen wipers is pretty much the only difference, but on a bike you are much more aware of the conditions and often looking for a sort of the best line for the tyres, avoiding any little cracks and rocks that might have dropped off. My interesting commentary